So here we are looking for the introduction to GitLab and GitLab runners. So for this agenda, like we have to give the introduction of the GitLab and then runners and how it is working. So what is GitLab? It's like a complete DevOps lifecycle platform. So you can you can manage the source code, you can run the pipelines, you can monitor and check the securities and check the dashboards, how your pipelines are performing, and you can do the merge requests. And environment is also there, so like whole environment setup like Kubernetes, Docker, and containers and runners, like everything in GitLab you can manage from GitLab. So now the GitLab architecture overview. So in the GitLab, like we have repository, servers, registry, artifacts, and cache. So in this architecture, like we have some developer push the request and then push code. Then after that, the GitLab pipelines got trigger and they run on the environment, like build, test, and deploy. And then what is a runner? Like it's an environment where the pipelines are running. It may be from different operating systems like Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Kubernetes, and Docker. And it the runners got into like in work when somebody requests a job or triggers a job, and it keeps the logs and artifacts, and so these runners are there. So type of runners like GitLab hosted runners and self-managed runners. So if GitLab is like managing these runners, so we don't need to about like upgrades and versions, and we don't need to take anything on ourselves. And if we are using the self-managed runners, then we have to install and keep the version, which operating system and which services we need to keep it up. Then we don't need to uh, like any worry about the number of jobs. In GitLab hosted runners, we need to worry about the job number of jobs and the size of the like jobs and how much they are keeping the artifacts and all. So it's like self-hosted and GitLab hosted both we have. And the GitLab runners executors, like we have Shell, Docker, plus machine, and Kubernetes Shell, and VirtualBox also. So pipeline in the GitLab, we have the pipeline pushes code, GitLab triggers pipeline, GitLab reads like dot GitLab hyphen ci.yaml. This is the main file from where the GitLab pipeline got started. It have the components like build, test, and deploy. Then inside these components, we have like different tasks which on which